We had been up to Clarksburg, got on the interstate, started to get off at the Meadowbrook exit, and all at once sounded like the world come to an end. Bang, 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 and hear that woman hit the back car. With the injuries I had, and I just about died because it was real bad.
I had contacted the police in Bridgeport that investigated the accident, and he recommended that I needed a lawyer. But I saw the advertising on TV, and I loved the tiger and the commercials, so we decided on the Miley Legal Group. They just took over.
Yeah.
They just took over, and we had nothing to do. You know, they just did everything for us.
Absolutely wonderful.
Yeah. And Haley was always so kind.
And you explained everything regular to us. That's the main thing.
You did a good job, and you kept us informed.
I'm thankful that you thought enough of us that you came to our house and sat down and talked with us about all of this.
Well, we just went through the same thing, and we had this group of lawyers in Clarksburg, the Miley Legal Group, that did a wonderful job for us, and I would recommend that you talk with them.